good morning class. So today we're going to be learning more about spelling patterns, and the first thing I want you to do is remember the spelling pattern we talked about last time, when to use F and when to use PH. So go ahead, talk to your desk partners for a second and try to remember when you use each one. Good job. Okay, so today we're going to learn about the pattern of when to use a C and when to use a K when we're using the K sound at the beginning of a word. So this can be a little bit tricky because some of them are going to start with C and some are going to start with K. So we don't know when to use which one. So that's what we're going to learn today. This is important because it's going to serve as a tool we can use whenever we're spelling K words. So we're going to use our sounding out skills today, but first we need to learn our pattern. So to start us off, can you all give me some examples of words that start with K?
Cats.
Yes. Anybody else? Yes.
Cap.
Perfect. Do you have one?
Kite.
Excellent. Okay, those are really good examples. So, do any of you know what the word cat starts with? What letter?
A K.
So, that's really close. It's actually going to be a C. And we're going to learn why in just a second. Okay, so you can already see that these words can be kind of tricky. So now we're going to learn a cool rhyme. Okay, so remember how we use the pattern for F and PH to learn how to spell words with the F sound? This is the same thing that we're going to be doing with the K sound. So our rhyme is K takes I and E, C takes the other three, A, O, and U. So now I'm going to say some words and show you how to spell them. Let's try the word key. So if I'm going to look at my rhyme, let's see. K takes I and E, C takes the other three. So what vowel do y'all see right here?
E.
So what letter should we use?
K.
Perfect. What about the word can? Let's read our rhyme together. K takes I and E, C takes the other three, A, O, U. What vowel do we see here?
A.
Okay, so what letter should we use?
C.
Perfect. Good job, guys. So if I have the word cup, how would we know what letter to use? Yes.
Okay, well with our rhyme, I see that C takes the other three, A, O, and U, and I see that there's a U, so I think C.
That is perfect. So whenever you have a word that starts with a K, just go ahead and look at the rhyme, try and remember it, and then you'll know what letter to use. Amazing. We're going to do one more example, and then we're going to move to independent practice. So if I have the word kit, try and think about the rhyme and tell me what letter you should use. Yes.
K, because it's an I after.
Perfect. Y'all are doing really well. Okay, now I'm going to give y'all a couple more words, and I want you to talk with your partners and tell me what the letter should be at the beginning. We're going to have the word cob and keep. So go ahead and talk with your partners really fast and tell me what letter you think we should use.
Yeah, because there's an O, and then keep should have a K because there's an E.
Okay, are y'all finished?
Yes.
Okay, what did you get?
You said the first one should have a C because of the O, and then the second one should have a K because of the E.
Wow, y'all totally have this. So proud. Okay guys, you're doing so well. So now with this worksheet that I just handed out, I want you to work on it on your own and decide if it should start with C or K. Please just write down the correct letter to complete the word, and I know y'all got it. Okay, can anybody tell me what they got for the first word? Yes.
I got C
Okay, why?
because of the A after.
Okay, perfect. And what word was that?
Caden.
Awesome. Does anybody know the second one? Yes, right.
It's cab, and I put a C because there's also an A.
Perfect. What about the last one? Allie?
It's kin with a C.
Ooh, okay. That's really close. But let's look at our rhyme again. Can we all say it together? Okay. K takes I and E, C takes the other three, A, O, U. So what vowel did you see in the word kin?
I didn't realize it's an I, so it's K.
Yes. Hey, that's okay. But y'all got it. So proud. So let's take a moment to think how we can take this lesson home with us today. So I want you to go around, and when you see something that starts with a k sound, try and think in your head if that would start with a C or a K. And before you go, I have 2 things for you. First, I just want you to really think on this rhyme, try and memorize it because it's going to help you for the rest of your life. And then a sneak peek of what we're going to do tomorrow is learn when to use a G and when to use a J when spelling words that start with J. Okay, that's it for today, and I will see you all tomorrow.